I think the special part is we have different roles in our teams and everyone is doing their job and it's very efficient.
Additionally, we get to explore products from Google which are so innovative that it turns your imaginations into reality.
And working with technical and non-technical guys from all over Otto.
Exciting, challenge and innovation.
Sharing, inspiring and growing.
It was fun, it was insightful and it was very creative.
Fast and furious.
I believe that this is something that everybody should experience, especially if they want to take their coding to the next level.
I've been to many hackathons, but this is something special.
You don't have to stress too much about the end results. It's all about collaboration at the end of the day.
Just focus in one task without any distraction.
The feeling to wanting to return. Yeah. Really enjoying this.